we present Skeleton 1, our first camera drone built to explore the environment. It meets the 250 gram limit and can be flown by anyone. Its hexagon design, which can be found everywhere, makes it lightweight yet robust. Because of the lightness of the drone, it is fast and very maneuverable. The flight time of this drone is about 5 minutes. Included are 4 batteries, which can be easily replaced. Thus, a total of 60 minutes of flight time is possible. Since this drone is a FPV drone, there is a camera on front of this drone. Through the included VR goggles, you have a live transmission of the camera. Through all these features, it is possible to explore the environment, whether indoors or outdoors. This is the new Skeleton 1 made by Schleicher and Schoolproject.